Hey yo guys, this is part 2 to the video from yesterday. This is my bike check today. Let me pull it out the whip. Million pounds. Alright. I'm pretty likely to forget some stuff, so forgive me.
The rest will be in the description if he does.
Yeah. Alright, for my tires, I have blue Donna Squeaks.
No, you're doing it wrong.
How am I doing it wrong? Screw off.
180 and go down the street backwards.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I'm not doing it all like that.
Yes.
No.
This is the Fakie bike check, Josh.
No, this is my car bike check.
Go on.
Alright guys, I have Colt Vans grips, Lamroyd bars, Sunday free stem, stock premium forks, Donna Squeaks for tires, G Sports laced up to a free mix hub set, Colt butter pegs,
Cranks.
all around, stock fit cranks. Chain is a Shadow, sprocket is an E-clap guard, and
What'd you miss?
my seat post.
That's it. Alright, tell him what seat you got.
Alright,
He has to go in for dinner, but he would do this.
I have a Federal camo seat, and I have a stock premium seat post.
Alright, thanks.
Sorry guys, I let you guys down.
Alright, we might refill this tomorrow. If not, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. Subscribe to Whips and Tips YouTube channel.